going to show you how to resolve no module named skbuild error. So I was trying to install opencv-python, and while installing I got this error. So I searched on internet and I found the solution. So in this video I'm sharing that solution. So what you have to do, you have to upgrade your PIP. So I am using Python 3 for installing opencv python, and for upgrading I will run pip3 install. So now the PIP is upgraded, and I'm going to run the same command again which I used to install opencv python. So in my case, actually, I'm trying to install this particular package, and this package is installing opencv-contrib python package. And while installing it, this problem came. So either is the case if you are trying to install opencv-contrib python, or if you are installing some other python package which require this opencv-contrib python, and if you are experiencing this error, you can use this same method. You can upgrade your PIP and then simply install that package. So if you checked here, this time I didn't get any error while installing or downloading this opencv-contrib python. I hope it is helpful. Thank you very much for watching.